Have you ever had a big idea and thought, this could change the world? Well, guess what? That's the first step to becoming an entrepreneur. And when you turn that idea into something new, fun, or useful, you're using innovation. Today, let's understand what entrepreneurship and innovation really mean in a fun and simple way. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the process of starting and running a new business, usually to solve a problem or meet a need. An entrepreneur is someone who says, there's a problem, and I'm going to solve it. They take risks, build something from scratch, and create value. Example, imagine a kid notices that all the students lose their pencils. She creates a pencil tracker app that beeps when a pencil is left behind. Boom! She's an entrepreneur. Famous quote, entrepreneurship is living a few years of your life like most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like most people can't. What is innovation? Innovation is the ability to think of and create new ideas, new products, or better ways of doing things. Entrepreneurs use innovation to make their ideas stand out. It can be a new product, a better way of doing something, a creative business idea. Example, before Uber, people had to call a taxi company, but someone thought, why not order a ride through your phone? That's innovation. Why entrepreneurship's innovation matter. They create jobs, cool inventions, better ways to live and work. Almost every big company started with one idea. Jeff Bezos with books, Amazon. Elon Musk with online banking, PayPal. A girl with a cookie recipe, her bakery. Innovation is not just for adults. Even kids can be entrepreneurs. All you need is an idea and the courage to act. So, whether it's a lemonade stand with a twist or a brand new phone app, remember this. Entrepreneurship is about solving problems. Innovation is how you make your solution unique. If you're curious, creative, and a little brave, you could be the next big entrepreneur. Follow our playlist on business and management to learn the skills every young innovator needs.